Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you step by step 3 different ways you can do twists. So I always start off by spraying her hair lightly with the spray bottle. I want to keep her hair as moisturized as possible while the twist is in. So I always spray it, or sometimes I do use some shea butter. If her hair is really dry, I will use that as well, just so that the twist looks nice the whole day through. And I also make sure to detangle her hair before I get the twist in, just so that it looks nice and smooth as it possibly can. So this is the simple twist out of the 3, and all you have to do is split the hair in the middle, and you want to make sure that both parts have the same amount of hair in it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the left part and I'm going to cross it over to the right. And yeah, that's all you're going to keep doing, is making sure you take the left, cross it over the right, and keep doing that all the way to the end. And you want to make sure that you have a nice firm grip on her hair, just because it will make that twist look tighter, as well as because it is going to unravel a bit when you let go, just a little bit. But if you have a loose grip on her hair while you're doing the twist, it's going to easily unravel, as well as it's going to look bigger and more bigger. If you're going for that look for like a big puffy twist, then you do want to hold her hair loosely. If you're looking for like the twist that I'm doing, a more tighter, then you want to have a nice firm grip. And if this is your first time doing a twist, you're not going to get it the first time. Maybe the second, maybe the third, definitely the fourth, maybe. I don't know, but yeah, just practice makes perfect, my friends. So now when I get to the end, I like to spray it a little bit with water, or sometimes I do put shea butter on the ends as well, and then I get my elastic and put the elastic on. And there you have it, a simple 2-strand twist. So this next one is the 3-strand twist, and this is a little bit harder to learn, I find, but with practice it will come to you. But anyways, what I do is I just take 3 parts, and then I'm going to take that left outer part and I'm going to wrap it around the other 2 parts. So I'm taking that left outer one and wrapping it around the other 2 parts. And then you're just going to keep taking the left part and wrapping it around the other 2 parts. And again, you want to make sure you have a nice tight grip on her hair. And then you're going to do that all the way to the end. And friends, I just wanted to mention again, like I said before, it does come with practice. If you didn't get it the first time, don't get frustrated, or the second or the third, don't get frustrated. Just keep on trying and eventually you will get it. Trust me. I actually asked my husband to try this tutorial on my hair just to see, you know, if you would be able to follow, and he was able to follow. It's just, you know, knowing how to get that grip on the hair, and that comes with practice. So yes, practice definitely does make perfect. So this is the result of the 3-strand twist. So the last twists are the cubic twists that I'm going to show you, and I think it's the second easiest of the 3. So you're just going to take 2 parts, and then I just take 1 part and I just put it in a clip to keep it out of the way until I'm ready to work with it. And then I'm just making a 2-strand twist in this part. And then I'm just going to put a clip at the end to hold it. If you don't have one of these clips, then you can just put an elastic in. And then I'm just going to take this part and put another 2-strand twist in, making sure that I am going the same direction as the other twist that I did. So I went clockwise, and I'm going to do that again on this part. Now I'm going to take those 2 twists and I'm going to twist them, but I'm going to do that counterclockwise. So you want to do it in the opposite direction that you did those other 2 twists. I did those 2 twists clockwise, so I'm going to do this counterclockwise, and trying your best to make sure you have a nice firm grip on the hair. I didn't really have as firm a grip as I wanted to, but yeah. And then I'm just taking the clips out and I'm going to twist it all the way to the end, and then I'm going to put an elastic in it. And here's what the cubic twist will look like when you're finished. And this is one of my favorite twists to do. I've done a couple tutorials on our channel with these twists, and this is what it will look like if you have a nice firm grip on your twist. So for all my beginner friends out there, I hope this video taught you how to do twists. If it did, please comment below, let me know. Also, if it didn't and you were having troubles because maybe I didn't explain anything or maybe the video wasn't, you couldn't see things or whatever, let me know that too in the comments below to help me make my future videos great. Anyways, my friends, we love you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!